maliit yan. Dito, para kapag nakakapagpahinga ka. No?
Unang pwede natin ay para sa white team, Porsungkula. And
Bernardino from the inbound. Concat wearing jersey number 13, towards the 3. Well good. Rebound for jersey number 13. Venturado looking for his teammates. Rejected by Concat. Porsingkula gets the ball. Porsingkula to Bagat-Batan. Bagat-Batan pass. Concat gets the ball wearing jersey number 13 from Provincial Boundary. 3 points Concat. Venturado drives. Dropping violation. Concat pass to Bagat-Batan. Bagat-Batan wearing jersey number 7 to Bernardino. Bernardino fakes, no good. Porsingkula wearing jersey number 11, put back, no good. Venturado gets the rebound to Orbizo. Orbizo reading the ball, pass to. Back to Orbizo. 15-second shot clock. Bagat-Batan. Solen Palala wearing jersey number 5 to Reyes. 10 seconds to shoot. Reyes drive. Look for 2 by Reyes. Porsingkula to Bernardino. Jump. Bernardino no good. Bagat-Batan gets the rebound. Bagat-Batan to Bernardino. No good. Wearing jersey number 14 to Orbizo. Pass to Balala. Balala to Reyes. Reyes no good. Sit out no good. Sit out kick out to Reyes. Balala no good. Concat gets the rebound. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Concat wide open for 3. No good. Concat using the glass. No good. Rebound by Balala. Pass to Orbizo. Orbizo dribbling the ball to Reyes. 15-second shot clock. Reyes, big move. Balala jump, no good. Venturado, no good. Rebound by Porsingkula. Porsingkula wearing jersey number 11. Porsingkula to Concat. Kick out to Bagat-Batan. Wide open for 3. No good. Rebound by Venturado wearing jersey number 14 to Orbizo. 7 minutes and 35 seconds remaining time. Orbizo dribbling the ball. Orbizo to Zinad. Zinad from top of the key. No good. Rebound by Concat. 7 minutes and 20 seconds. He scored out. Concat guarded by Balala. Jersey number 5. Concat to Bernardino. Bernardino fakes. There's a whistle. Dropping in violation. At ito po palang laban ay no zone defense. Man-to-man defense lang po ang laban na to. Jersey number 5, Concat gets the ball. Jersey number 13. There's a whistle foul. Foul on jersey number 7, Orbizo. First personal foul on Orbizo. First team foul, black team. Concat from the inbound pass to Porsingkula. Porsingkula back to Concat. Concat taking a 3, no good. Rebound by Zinad. Zinad pass to Reyes. Reyes to Orbizo. Orbizo waiting for his teammates. Wearing jersey number 7. Back to Reyes. 15-second shot clock. Dropping violation. Remaining time 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Porsingkula winning the ball. Jersey number 11 is scored 3-2 in favor of white team. Venturado gets the ball, jersey number 22, Reyes. Wala na rejected by Panggat. Reyes to Orbizo. White ball. He scored 3-2. 1 point lead by White team. Bagan winning the ball. Wearing jersey number 7. 15-second shot clock. Bagan kick out to Panggat. 10 seconds to shoot. Bagan rebounds. Bagan. He scores 6-2. 4-point lead by White team. Orbizo winning the ball, guarded by Persicula. No good. Panggat gets the rebound. 5 minutes 30 seconds. Panggat pass to Bagan. Bagan no good. Rebound by Sinag. Pass to Orbizo. Orbizo jersey number 7 lays it up. Good for 2 by Orbizo. Panggat rejected by Sinag. Timeout Black team. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 5 minutes and 3 seconds. He scores 6 points. 2-point lead by White team. Bagan from the inbound pass to Bernardino. Bernardino jump. Number 2 by Bernardino. Rivera wearing jersey number 6. Hernandez and a screen. Rivera lays it up. Number 2 by Rivera. 4 minutes and 40 seconds. Persicula kick out to jersey number 12. 3 points. 12. Venturado, jersey number 20 drives. Number 2 by Venturado. Panggat to Bagan. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Quello, jersey number 2, Bagan back to Quello, rejected by Sinag. Sinag gets the ball from Black team. Sinag wearing jersey number 2, pass to Hernandez. Using the glass, number 2 by Hernandez. Persicula winning the ball. Jersey number 11, Persicula to Bernardino. Bernardino rejected by Sinag. Sinag pass to jersey number 6. Rivera pass to Balala. Balala to Hernandez. Timeout White team. Remaining time 3 minutes and 44 seconds is for 11-10. 1-point game by White team.
Thank you sa suporta. Pagkalaga naman. Ulit tayo, makaliga tayo. Ay, huwag ka magkapit. Meron pa tayo semis. Kahapon.
Back to the ball game. Palatino from the inbound. Palatino to Rivera. Rivera, no good. Rebound by Palatino. Alberto wide open for three. No good. Alberto wearing jersey number 11 gets the ball to Palatino. 10 seconds to shoot. Rivera drives. No good. Relio gets the rebound. 3 minutes and 20 seconds. Pongat winning the ball. 15-second shot clock. Pongat to Porzingula. 10 seconds to shoot. Porzingula. Good for 2 by Pongat. 3 minutes to play. Alberto to Pizarra. No good. Here's Luis El Foul. Foul on jersey number 13. Pongat. First personal foul on Pongat. First team foul. White team. 2 free throw shot for jersey number 15 Palatino from Black team. First try, no good. Second try, no good. Alberto put back, no good. Porzingula against the ball, jersey number 11. Line violation, substitution. Bernardino out, Bonizer in. Remaining time 2 minutes and 49 seconds. Palatino to Hernandez. Public violation, white ball. It's score 11-10, 1 point lead by white team. Relio pass to Pongat. Her jersey number 7. 15-second shot clock. Pongat pass to Porzingula. Kick out to Pongat. Kapunagi. Here's Luis El Foul. Foul on jersey number 11. Alberto. First personal foul on Alberto. Second team foul. Black team. 2 free throw shot for Giancarlo Pongat. First try is good.
Magandang araw, Mr. Cubito. Magandang araw, Mr. Cubito.
Second try is good again. Substitution. Coelho out. Pongat out.
Meron pa.
Three free throw pala para kay Pongat. Third try. No good. Palatino to Alberto. Alberto pass to Hernandez, jersey number 12. Look for 2 by Hernandez. It's score 13-12, 1 point lead by white team. Pongat pace. Pongat using the glass. Look for 2 by Pongat. 2 minutes to play. Rivera, jersey number 6. Discrimination. Substitution. Coelho out. Pongat out. Porzingula out. Estrada, Cubito, and De La Cruz in. Shoutout doon po kay Sander Cubito, lover boy ng San Jose. 1 minute and 55 seconds. De La Cruz, jersey number 8, is solid by Alberto. Alberto, jersey number 11. Estrada has the ball. Here's Luis El Foul. Foul on jersey number 10. 13 Pizarra. First personal foul. 13 foul Black team. De La Cruz pass to Cubito. First a whistle. And sport one light foul on jersey number 12. Hernandez. Free throw shot para kay Cubito. Plus full possession. First right on jersey number 6 is good. Second try is good again. Substitution Hernandez. 3 minutes out. Minutes out para kay Hernandez. Transfer one light foul. Shout out kay Coach Jody Casapon. Panggat to Cubito. 1 minute and 30 seconds. 10 seconds to shoot. Cubito pass to Balizer. 5 seconds. Isole na po ni Libera. Libera jersey number 6. Wide, still good. Cubito gets the rebound. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Cubito pass 2. Good for 2 by De La Cruz. 1 minute to play. Balizer pass to Panggat. Panggat the good. Panggat offensive rebound pass to Cubito. Cubito put back. There's no Bizel. Shooting foul. Foul on jersey number 6. Libera. First personal foul on Libera. 15 foul. Black team. 53 seconds remaining. Cubito first right basket. Second try on jersey number 6, Cubito. It's good. Sina pass to Libera. 50 seconds remaining. Libera pass to Sina. 15 second shot clock. Sina from jersey number 2, no good. 40 seconds. Alberto pass to Sina. Fakes using the glass. Good for 2 by Sina. Estrada, 25 seconds remaining. Estrada no good. Balizer no good. Rebound by Libera, 20 seconds. No more shot clock. Second ball, 14 seconds. Time 14 seconds. No more shot clock. Palatino from the inbound to Zinad, pass to Libera. 10 seconds to shoot. Libera taking a long three, no good. Palatino put back using the glass, good for 2 by Vico. Palatino, 5 seconds. Panggat, pass to Balizer. End of the first quarter. It's score 19-14, 5-point lead by Whitey. Back to the ball game. Ball possession para sa Black Team.
Ilang percent na lang yan?
Leonardo from the inbound pass to Santiago. Santiago bringing the ball, turns the number 9, lays it up. Good for 2 by King Cedric Santiago. He scored 19-16. 3-point lead by White Team. Cubito attacks. Drop pass to Balizer. Good for 2 by Balizer.
Hindi mo na foul back dito.
Santiago gets the rebound. He's solid. De La Cruz, jersey number 8. Oh, it was so good. Cubino against the rebound. Cubino to the block. Rejected by Sinan. Santiago. Same ball. 9 minutes and 13 seconds. Leonardo jersey number 10, no good. Balisander gets the rebound, third pass to Estrada. 9 minutes to play. Estrada intercepted. Sina gets the ball for in jersey number 2. He's stolen by De La Cruz. Pass to Estrada. Estrada using the glass. Good for 2 by Estrada. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Leonardo to Santiago. Santiago putting the ball, jersey number 9. Leonardo, 5 seconds to shoot. Dabe, third drops, good for 2 by Dabe. 8 minutes and 20 seconds. Here's Luisel foul on jersey number 10. Leonardo, first personal foul on Leonardo, first team foul, block team. Cubito from the inbound pass to Carillaga. Carillaga wearing jersey number 10. Pass to De La Cruz. Here's Luisel foul on jersey number 10. Leonardo, second personal foul, second team foul, block team.
Balik mo na. Hindi haapot sa camera.
De La Cruz, pass to Cubito. Balisander set on screen, Cubito to Balisander. He's solid by Rivera, pass to Sabadego. Wide open, lays it up, good for by Sabadego. Carillaga. Santiago gets the ball, pass to Sinan. Intercepted by Israel, gets the ball to number 1, pass to De La Cruz. 7 minutes and 40 seconds. Number 2 by De La Cruz. It's marked 23-20. Replicated by Whitey. Santiago, no good. Number 2 by jersey number 8, Dabe. 7 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Carillaga to De La Cruz. De La Cruz ready the ball. De La Cruz kick out to Carillaga. Carillaga drive. There's Luisel pushing ball on jersey number 8. Dabe. First personal foul on Dabe, third team foul, block team. Substitution. Leonardo out. Sinag out. Hernandez in.
Nasa yung charger nito?
Super throw shot para kay Carillaga. First try, no good. Second try, no good. Rebound block. Leonardo, jersey number 10. Leonardo drives, no good. Dabe, good block, no good. Hernandez, yes, the rebound, jersey number 12 to Leonardo. Good for 2 by Leonardo. And block team takes the lead. He scored 24-23. Carillaga drives. There's Luisel shooting foul on jersey number 8, Dabe. Second personal foul on Dabe, warning for penalty. Block team. He scored 24-23. 1 point lead by block team. 2 free throw shot for jersey number 10, Carillaga. First strike is good. Jump ball. White ball. Remaining time 6 minutes and 40 seconds. Compito pass to Carilliaga. Good for 2 by number 10, Carilliaga. Santiago waving the ball. Jersey number 9 plus 2. Dabe, good for 2 by Dabe. He scored all 26. Intercepted. Same ball. Remaining time 6 minutes and 18 seconds.
Wait lang po.
Compito from the inbound. Compito pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Carilliaga. 10 seconds to shoot. Carilliaga no good. 5. Compito to De La Cruz. De La Cruz wide open. No good. Block ball. Remaining time 5 minutes and 58 seconds. Santiago pass to the middle. Leonardo pass to Dabe. Dabe using the glass, no good. Estrada gets a rebound, pass to De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Valizer, wide open for 3. Block. Remaining time 5 minutes and 14 seconds. Substitution Leonardo out, Balala in. Santiago from the inbound pass to Balala back to Santiago. 5 minutes and 35 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Samaniego. Represented by Samaniego. And takes the lead by Black Team is scored 26. Could be to Carilliaga. Same ball. 5 minutes and 16 seconds remaining time. Timeout, White Team. White Team, no more time.
Usap ko kayo.
Ano na yun? Ano yung Floralde?
Floralde plus 2. Here's number 9. Panggat Bates. Panggat intercepted. Samaniego against the ball plus 2. De La Cruz plays now. Number 2 by Hernandez. Floralde. Navarro is solid. Nakuha ni jersey number 12 Hernandez. Balala. There's also a foul. Basket 1. Foul on jersey number 9 Calapin. First personal foul on Calapin. First team foul. White Team. Substitution. Santiago out. Alberto in. Bonus free throw for Balala, no good. Panggat gets the rebound, jersey number 13. 4 minutes and 35 seconds. Panggat wide open for 3, no good. Rebound by Hernandez. Samaniego pass to Alberto. Good Brazil by Balala. Panggat 2, jersey number 9 Calatin. Same ball. 4 minutes and 14 seconds. Confusion. Samaniego out. Venturado in. Pagkat to Calatin. 4 minutes and 10 seconds. Calatin. Good. Bernardino. Venturado. Pass to Alberto. Jersey number 11. Good. Good for 2 by Dapper. 3 minutes and 55 seconds. His guard 36-26. 10-point lead by Black Team. Pagkat pass to Navarro. Navarro wide open for 3. No good. Calatin put back. Good for 2 by Jersey number 9. Calatin. Alberto setting a play. Pass to Balala. Balala 2. Jersey number 14 to Dabe. Good for 2 by Dabe. Vergara pass to Pangkat. 3 minutes and 15 seconds. Pangkat to Navarro from long 2. Good for 2 points. Navarro. Timeout. Black Team. 3 minutes and 11 seconds. He scored 30-31. 7-point lead by Black Team. Both teams slower timeout was the first half. Back to the ball game. Alberto dribbling the ball, jersey number 11. Alberto to Palapino, Alberto gets the ball, drives the good. Pagat Patan gets the rebound, jersey number 7. Pagat Patan pass to Palapin. Same ball. 2 minutes and 56 seconds remaining time. Pagat Patan rejected by Sina. Sina gets the ball, jersey number 2 to Banana. Balala guarded by Floralde. Palatino pass to Alberto. 15-second shotgun. It's stolen by Pagat Patan. Wearing jersey number 7. Pagat Patan. No good. Wearing jersey number 2. Zinab. Venturado. Trouble dribble. White ball. Remaining time 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Pagat Patan, moving the ball, wearing jersey number 7. Pagat Patan, aras by Palatino. 15-second shot clock. Pagat Patan, zero screen. Pangkat pace. Pangkat from block 2. Good for 2 for Gian Guy. Pangkat. 2 minutes to play. Balala drop pass to Sidag. Sidag. Turns the whistle foul. Foul on jersey number 9, Calatin. Second personal foul on Calatin. Second team foul, white team.
Nakakanamin tawa mo.
2 free throw shot for jersey number 2. Sinag. First try is good.
Idol.
Second try. No good. 1 out of 2 para Sinag mula sa free throw line. Palatin to Floralde. Same ball. 1 minute and 53 seconds. 17-second shot clock.
6. Sakto.
Vergara from the inbound. Vergara to Pagat Patan. Floralde from block 3. 3 points Floralde.
Kabayo.
It's score 39-36. 3-point lead by Blackie. Sinag answers 3. Save ball. Within that 1 minute and 33 seconds.
Masipag si Kabayo, no?
Sinag first number 2. No good. Shot clock at 14 seconds. Pagkatila from the inbound to Sina. Sina jump, good for 2 by Sina. He scored 31-36, 5.3 by that team. Turnover. Black team ball. Palatino pass to Alberto. 1 minute and 15 seconds. Alberto setting a play. Loving jersey number 11. Troubling violation. Pagat-pagat to Vergara. Sina against the ball from black team. 1 minute to play. Sina pass to Balala. Alberto gets the rebound. 50 seconds. 15 seconds shot clock. Balala to Venturado. Good for 2 for Venturado. 40 seconds. Remaining time. Pagat-pagat. Pass to Pagat. Fade away shot. Here's in the glass. Good for 2 for Pagat. 30 seconds remaining time. Venturado drives. Rejected. Pagat gets the ball. Wearing jersey number 10. Good for 2 for Pagat. He scored 43-40. 3.3 by black team. Balala pass to Venturado. Troubling violation. Remaining time 14 seconds. 14 seconds remaining time. Vergara from the inbound. Pass to Calatin. Calatin lays it up. No good. Pagat gets the ball. 5 seconds. Super shot clock. And from the first half, he scored 43-40. 3-point lead by black team.
Kasi ba, hirap ang bulin. Albert, mas maganda pag nakatayo. Mas maganda pag nakatayo.
Back to the ball game. Ball possession para sa white ball. He served off third quarter. From the inbound to Persicula. Persicula running jersey number 11. Persicula pass to jersey number 1 by his hand. His communication on block ball. Orbizo jersey number 7. Orbizo pass to Rivera. Rivera kick out to Pizarra. Rebounds Pizarra. Pulpito lays it up. No good. Rebound by Gabe. Jersey number 8. Pass to Orbizo. Orbizo setting play from block team. Orbizo jersey number 7 to Rivera. There's no whistle. Foul. Foul on jersey number 9. Calatin third personal foul on Calatin first team foul. White team. throw shot for Rivera. Jersey number 6, first try is good.
Henry, huwag kang sa akin. Magbukungan niyo yung camera.
Second try is good again. 2 out of 2 para kay Rivera. Cubito, jersey number 6. First goal against the ball, Cubito pass to Balizer. Balizer back to Cubito, wide open for 3. Cubito no good. Gabi against the rebound, pass to Orbizo. Orbizo intercepted by Panggat. 9 minutes to play. Panggat pass to Balizer. Balizer no good. Orbizo gets the rebound, pass to Reyes. Rivera against the ball. There's the foul on jersey number 13, Panggat. Second personal foul on Panggat, second team foul, white team. Remaining time 8 minutes and 42 seconds. He scored 40-40. 8-point lead by black team. Orbizo pass to Reyes. Reyes, jersey number 1, to drop number 2 by Reyes. Cubito kick out to Panggat beyond the arc. 3 points, Panggat. He scored 50-43. 7-point block. Gabi no good. Balizer gets the rebound, pass to Persingula. Persingula to Cubito. Cubito drives, good for 2 by Cubito. Timeout, black team. Remaining time 8 minutes and 2 seconds. He scored 50-45. Jersey number 11, Persingula from white team, warning for delaying the game. Back to the ball game. Is play or Rizal pass to Dabe, the person by Dabe, jersey number 8. Isa mapagpalang hapon kay Coach Reggie Gutierrez. 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Moving on, bringing the ball. Foul on jersey number 6. Rivera, second personal foul on Rivera, first team foul, block team. Persingula from the inbound. Persingula to Panggat. Panggat bringing the ball by wearing jersey number 13. Isolen Orbizo gets the ball wearing jersey number 7. Reyes no good. Reyes gets the rebound, jersey number 1 to Pizarra. Number 2 for Pizarra. Kalatin drives. 50 violation, black ball. The winning time 7 minutes and 10 seconds. Mikey.
Favorite mo ako.
Remaining time 7 minutes and 10 seconds. It's score 54-45, 9-point lead by Black Team. Orbizo from the inbound to Rivera, back to Orbizo. Orbizo to Gabe. Gabe pass to Rivera, right up for 3. Reyes. Orbizo for good pressing. Orbizo. Persingula With the ball, Rangers, number 11, 6 minutes and 50 seconds for Singula drives. Good for 2. Par for Singula. Pizarra drives. Good for 2 by jersey number 13, Pizarra. Calatin. Turnover. Block ball. 6 minutes and 20 seconds. Orbizo setting a play. Orbizo to Rivera. Rivera jersey number 6 drives. No good. Rebound by Singula to Bangkok. It's solid by Orbizo to Dabe. 6 minutes to play. Substitution. Calatin out. Kumaluin. Substitution. Reyes out. Samaniego in. Orbizo, jersey number 7. Orbizo to Dabe. 15 second shot clock. Dabe to Rivera. Number 2 by Rivera. Balizer pass for Singula. 5 minutes and 40 seconds. For Singula kick out to Balizer. 15 second shot clock. Balizer jersey number 1 to Singula. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Samaniego gets the ball for jersey number 4. Samaniego pass to Rivera. No good. Dabe gets the rebound. Dabe with part 2 by Dabe. It's scored 62-47. 15-point leads by David Cupito from top of the key to rebound Cupito. Orbizo pass to Dabe. Dabe no good. Bangkok gets a rebound. Jersey number 13. 4 minutes and 50 seconds. Bangkok to Cupito. Cupito no good. Rebound by jersey number 4. Samaniego to Orbizo. Orbizo back to Samaniego. Samaniego taking a long three. No good. Rebound by jersey number 7. Orbizo 10 seconds to shoot. Orbizo pass to Pizarra, back to Orbizo. To rebounds Orbizo. 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Bangkok to Cupito. Cupito taking a long three. Air ball. Substitution. Dabe out. Singula out. Balizer out. Cupito out. De La Cruz Bernardino Estrada in substitution. Pizarra out. Leonardo in. Orbizo from the inbound to Leonardo. Leonardo jump for good. Bangkok wins the rebound. Save ball. 3 minutes and 50 seconds. Bangkok to Estrada. Estrada na si Leonardo. Leonardo is in the ball. Jersey number 10. Leonardo using the glass. No good. Zina gets the rebound. Put back. No good. Rebound by Estrada. Bernardino to Bangkok. Good for 2 for Bangkok. It's hard. 65-52 in favor of Black Team. Remaining back 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Samaniego jersey number 4. Side step. No good. Rebound by Samaniego by jersey number 4. Sina gets the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Sina no good. There's a whistle. Foul. Foul on jersey number 3. Substitution. Orbizo out. Chaguni. Libera from the inbound pass to Sinag. Sinag. Save ball. Shot clock at 10 seconds. Santiago. Turnover, white ball. Remaining 3 minutes and 10 seconds. Estrada is started by Leonardo, jersey number 10, rejected, but turns the ball. Foul on jersey number 4, Estrada. First personal foul on Estrada. Third team foul. White team to break through shot for Leonardo, jersey number 10, first right, no good. Second try, no good. Pagka, jersey number 13 from Green Bugalbi, no good. Estrada put back, good for 2 by Estrada. Santiago from the inbound to Leonardo. 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Leonardo, jersey number 10, right, still good. Rebound by Estrada, jersey number 4. There's Luis foul. Foul on jersey number 6, Rivera. Substitution. Third personal foul on Rivera. Pagat out, pagat patani. Pagat patan pass 2. De La Cruz. De La Cruz jersey number 8. Pass to Bernardino. Bernardino no good. Bernardino gets the rebound. Is filled by Santiago. Santiago Rangers number 9 to Samaniego, back to Santiago, using the last. Good for 2 by Santiago. 2 minutes and 15 seconds remaining time. Coelho pass to Estrada to Bernardino, intercepted. Santiago, good for 2 by Leonardo. 2 minutes to play. Estrada from the inbound to Pagat Patan. Pagat jersey number 7. 1 minute 50 seconds. Bernardino. Bernardino takes, rejected by Selena. Pass 2. Jersey number 6. Rivera lays it up. Good for 2 by Rivera. He scores 71-54 in favor of Black Team. 1 minute and 30 seconds. Pagat Patan taking a long 3. 3 points, Pagat Patan. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Rivera side step, get for 2 by Rivera. Estrada jersey number 4, using the gas. Good for 2 by Estrada. Sinag drives, good for 2 by Sinag. Bernardino from the inbound to Pagat Patan. 45 seconds. Pagat Patan drives, rejected by Sinag. Leonardo gets the ball, jersey number 10. 35 seconds remaining time. Rivera pass to Samaniego. Santiago turns the whistle. Ball on jersey number 8. First personal foul on De La Cruz. Warning for penalty. White team. 2 free throw shot para kay Santiago. First try is good. Second try is good again. 30 seconds. Pagat Patan to Bernardino. Good for 2 by Estrada. 20 seconds. No more shot clock. Rivera to Samaniego. 15 seconds. Samaniego pass to Leonardo. Good for 2 by Leonardo. 5 seconds. No more shot clock. End of the third quarter. A score 79-61 in favor of Black Team.
Ayan ang ulo.
Back to the ball game. The start of the fourth quarter battle between Black and White team of the Rising Stars of Santa Cruz, Laguna. Pagkat from Red Bull Country, there's a whistle foul. Foul on jersey number 8, Dapper. Third personal foul on Dapper, first team foul, Black team. 3 free throw shot for jersey number 13, Pagkat. First try, no good. Second try, no good again. Third try is good. 1 out of 3. Para kay Pagkat. Jersey number 13 from the free throw line. Alberto, jersey number 11 to Palatino. Number 2 by Palatino. Pagkat, pass to Versicula. Versicula looking for his teammates to De La Cruz. De La Cruz wearing jersey number 8, setting a play. Versicula set a screen. De La Cruz people, there's the whistle shooting foul. Foul on jersey number 8. Dapper. Dapper warning for Pongo, second team foul. Black team. Two free throw shot. Para kay jersey number 8, De La Cruz first try, no good. Second try, no good. Alberto gets a rebound, pulling jersey number 11. Alberto kick out to Santiago. Santiago no good. Substitution, Abe out, Hernandez in. Palatino to Hernandez with Brazil by Hernandez. Versicula moving the ball. 15-second shot clock. Versicula to Pagkat to Pagan. 10 seconds to shoot. Pagan wearing jersey number 7 blinds. No good. Rebound by Hernandez. Hernandez to Alberto. Alberto wearing jersey number 11. With pursued by Alberto. Pagan pass to Versicula. Here's the foul. Foul on jersey number 12, Hernandez. Third personal foul on Hernandez. Third team foul, Black team. Pagkat pass to jersey number 11 for Zigla from top of the key. No good. Santiago gets a rebound from jersey number 9. Pass to Leonardo. Leonardo. Good pursuit by Leonardo. 8 minutes and 10 seconds. His score 87-62 in favor of Black team. Pagkat to Carilhaga. Kick out to Pagkat wearing jersey number 13 from the Rainbow Country. Carilhaga gets the rebound. 8 minutes to play. 10 seconds to shoot. There's the whistle foul. Foul on jersey number 10. Leonardo. First personal foul John Leonardo warning for penalty. Rocky. Kariyaga pass to Pagkat, 10 seconds to shoot. Pagat Patan. Rapid violation. Substitution Santiago out, balalain. Alberto from the inbound pass to Palatino. Palatino to Leonardo. 7 minutes and 35 seconds is followed by Karinyaga. Warriors number 10 lays it up, no good. Leonardo gets the rebound. 7 minutes and 30 seconds. Leonardo jump, no good. Rebound by Karinyaga. Karinyaga up to Porcicula. Porcicula. Isarena with the Palatino jersey number 15 from Plati. Palatino drives with number 2 by Rico Palatino. Pagkat jersey number 13. Pagkat fadeaway shot, no good. Pagat Patan, good for 2 by Pagat Patan. The score 89-64 in favor of Blackie. Balala right up from 3, no good. Rebound by jersey number 12 Hernandez. There is a whistle, foul on jersey number 10 Karinyaga. Timeout Blackie. First personal foul on Karinyaga. First deep foul. White team. Black team, 1 more timeout. 2 more timeout para sa white team. Back to the ball game. Remaining time 6 minutes and 43 seconds. Palatino to Hernandez. Property violation. De La Cruz wearing jersey number 8. Pagdating Sarah Spring. De La Cruz second play, 10 seconds to shoot. Intercepted. Hernandez wearing jersey number 12. Gets the ball from Black team. Hernandez pass to Venturado. Good pursuit by Venturado. Vergara to Karinyaga. Pass to Galatin, jersey number 9. Back to Karinyaga. Same ball. Moving time 5 minutes and 50 seconds. Karinyaga from the inbound, De La Cruz. Good pursuit by De La Cruz. Good pursuit again. Karinyaga De La Cruz wearing jersey number 8. Hernandez rides. Turns the ball. Shooting foul. Ball on jersey number 12, Vergara. Substitution. De La Cruz out. Alberto out. First personal foul on Vergara. Second team foul. White team. Super throw shot for Hernandez. Jersey number 12, first right. It's good. Second try. It's good again. Substitution. Hernandez out. Sinang in. Vergara from the inbound to Karinyaga. 5 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. Karinyaga to Pagkat, taking a long three. Pagkat no good. Rebound by Sinang. Sinang pass to Debera. Debera wearing jersey number 6, having a play. 15-second shot clock. Rivera proving jersey number 6, a problem violation. Carindiaga from inbound to Estrada. 4 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time in the fourth quarter. Carindiaga second play, proving jersey number 10, 15-second shot clock. Carindiaga to Panggat. 10 seconds to shoot. Pass to Vergara. Intercepted. Carindiaga against the ball, wearing jersey number 10. Carindiaga no good. Power rebound by jersey number 2. Sinag to Palatino. 4 minutes and 20 seconds. Palatino to Rivera. Rivera pass to jersey number 14. Venturado to Sinag. 10 seconds to shoot. Sinag wide open for 3. No good. Venturado against the rebound. Jersey number 14. Discrimination. Jersey number 10. Carindiaga against the ball to Vergara. 4 minutes to play. Vergara pass to Estrada. Estrada to jersey number 9. Calatin kick out to Carindiaga. Vergara. Extra nice. It's good. 3 minutes and 40 seconds remaining time. It's 93-70 in favor of black team. Jersey number 6, Rivera lays it up, no good. Carindiaga saved the ball. Estrada pass to Panggat. 3 minutes and 25 seconds. Panggat right, no good. Palatino gets the rebound. Palatino wearing jersey number 15. Miscommunication, turnover, white ball. Carindiaga intercepted by Venturado. Good for 2 by Banana. 3 minutes to play. Panggat, pass to Calatin. Calatin jersey number 9, no good. Venturado, pass to Banana. Banana lays it up. Good for 2 by Banana. Timeout, white team. Remaining time 2 minutes and 45 seconds. Is score 97-70 in favor of black team. Both teams one more timeout.
Hindi, wala pa naman natin. Yung iba, hindi na dumating eh. Gusto.
Ito may mga ano, nandyan.
Yung...
Ayan, yung may mga ano.
Oh, yung mga nandun, ayos na yun.
Back to the ball game. Coelho dribbling a ball, rolling jersey number 2 from white team. Coelho pass to Estrada. 10 seconds to shoot. Estrada, number 2 by Estrada. Orpiso starting to play, jersey number 7. Complication. Substitution. Sinag out. Pizarra in. Remaining time 2 minutes and 9 seconds. His score 97-72 in favor of black team. Estrada pass to Navarro. Right up the green. Navarro no good. Good for 2 by Nagdigo. 1 minute and 45 seconds. There's some result. Warning for technical, jersey number 4, Estrada. Intercepted, Bernardino pass to Coelho. Kick out to Navarro, wide open for 3. Navarro no good. 1 minute and 25 seconds. Jersey number 4. Yes, the ball, Samaniego from Black Team. Samaniego, pass to Orbizo. Orbizo to Pizarra. Pizarra rejected by Belizer. Same ball, 11-second shot clock. Dabe, jump, good for 2 by Dabe. 1 minute to play. Estrada, pass to Belizer, jersey number 1. Navarro no good. Bernardino gets the rebound. 50 seconds remaining. Bernardino good for 2 by Bernardino. 40 seconds remaining. $35 seconds. Samaniego to Dabe. Good for 2 by Dabe. 25 seconds. Navarro beyond the arc. No good. Navarro right up for 3. No good. Navarro again from down to wearing jersey number 40. No good again. Navarro inilapit. Good for 2 by EJ Navarro. End of the ball game. Both teams shake hands.
Okay, lahat po ng players ng black and white, punta po kayo ulit sa gitna for taking a photo opportunity. Congratulations! Kayong lahat ay panalo at ang laro nyo ay makatutulong sa ating public market.
Oh, picture tayo mga guys. Let's go. Mario, Oli. Oh, side tayo. Okay, picture tayo. Ready? Oh. Okay. Oh, wait lang. Oh, wait. Okay. Talib, Josh. Oh, picture tayo. Sinag. Amiel, Talib, Pool, Estrada, halika kayo dito, picture tayo. Saka si Paba, picture tayo.
Kuya! Elmar! Nagawin na ako!
Muli po, tinatawagan ko po ng pansin yung ating pong mga legendary sa larangan ng basketball. Papatuloy ko natin ang awarding. Nandiyan pa ba si Coach Reggie? Nandiyan? Okay.
Oh, All-Star Black Team, pumunta sa akin para doon sa jersey. All-Star Black Team ng... Ito, All-Star Black Team. Ito rito para sa jersey. All-Star Black Team. Team Velvet All-Star Black Team. Team Velvet All-Star Black Team. O, dito.
Okay, sa pagpapatuloy po ng ating gift of certification, jersey number 3, siya po ay forward. Achievements po niya, Estrada at palarong pambansa, Laguna Lakers, Philippine National Games, Sinaglakas, ano yun? Asia, 48. On jersey number 3, Coach Reggie Gutierrez. On jersey number 24, eto, malakas to. Power forward, siya po ay naging palarong pambayan, 25 years, playing coach ng Barangay Labuin up to the presence. Calling the attention of Mr. Kagalang-galang Dante Crisostomo. Next in lane po on jersey number 7, siya po ay point guard. An achievement po niya is 2011, calling the attention of Mr. Oliver Palad. Okay, on the next line po, on jersey number 31, siya power, forward, and center. Pedro Guimara Memorial National High School, Southern Tagalog, Calabarzon Athletic Association, STAA, 2012 to 2011, NSPU College NSPU Athletic Associations, 2014 to 2015, Santa Cruz, Palarong, Pambayan. Jersey number 31, Alec Jan Dexter Limpengo. Jersey number 19, shooting guard and a power forward, Adamson NCAA player, PBL. Happy Toothpaste on jersey number 19, Rolando Avetria. On jersey number 18, point guard, MVP ng All-Star Santa Cruz, 3 times MVP ng Junior League 2005 to 2013, Santa Cruz Intertown Player, 2008 NCAA National Champion, and 2009 NCAA National First Place, 2011 Pasig Olympic Basketball. The only player chosen in Santa Cruz, Laguna, number 18, Robert Arby Avedria. On jersey number 12, small forward, 2005 PGMS Estrada, 2007 LSPU, 2008 LSPU Pasig Gold, 2008 to 2010 TIP and CRAA, 2010 to 2011 NACSU, 2011 Governor's Cup Champion, and 2022 Liga Laguna Mythical Park. Jersey number 12, Lexter Castillo Gahite.
Ito yung kay Miras po.
Miras, ako to, kay Castro, kay
Gerando po. Gerando.
Kusura. Yes, kusura. Oliver. Pare, okay na. Yung isang set ng picture na kay Jason, bumawag sa akin. Maganda yung email, ano? Gusto mo man eh. Layo ko may height pa. Ay, wait. Wait, nakakalik. Kanino ko po? Madami ko lang.
Naalala ko kayo na itong sabuto. Bonus apple.
Kusura. What po 16 lang ang number ako? Wala tayo. Kahit na ako, wala eh. Ako, wala eh. Organization na, wala. Gusto mo. Gusto mo. Gusto. Basta, no? Wala ka sa sumipon na sa oo, sabi ko, wala naman sumipon na eh. Ano ba yung sumunta?
Dagul yan, dito sa'yo, dagul.
Oo, yan.
Ayuho ba, Jaboy mo naman?
Ito naman. Linggo. Pag hindi na...
Kahit kay Misilas pa.
Kakain lang po.
Break time lang po sa break time. Sounds tayo, sound.
Ay, salamat to. Kuya Ben. Ay, kumain.